Look at these two sentences. I am a careful student. I study carefully. I am a careful student. Look at the word careful. Careful here is an adjective. Student is a noun. Careful is describing the student. How is the student? He is careful. And look at number 2. I study carefully. Study is a verb. Carefully is an adverb that is describing the verb. I study. How do I study? I study carefully. Now, careful is the adjective. Carefully is the adverb. How do you make the adverb? You add an ly to the adjective. Careful plus ly, carefully, adverb. Well, in the last grammar lesson, I told you that there are some adjectives that end in ly and they are not adverbs. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to put the link above here so you can click, I don't know, here or here. You can click and watch the video. But now, today's lesson is a bit different. Look at these two sentences. I am a fast driver. I'm a fast driver. I drive fast. I drive fast. Okay, number 1. I am a fast driver. Well, fast is an adjective here. Driver is the noun. And the driver is fast. Number 2. I drive fast. Well, drive is a verb. So fast is an adverb. Adjective fast. Adverb fast. So not fastly. No. What's going on here? Let's find out. Hello, this is Maddie from Piece of Cake English, and in this lesson, I'm going to talk about some adverbs and adjectives with the same form. Number 1 is fast. Fast is an adjective, and it's also an adverb. Look at this example. That is a fast car. That is a fast car. Car is a noun, and fast is the adjective describing the noun. And take a look at the location of adjective in the sentence. It is before the noun. That is a fast car. Now look at the other sentence. He is driving really fast. He is driving really fast. Well, driving is the verb, and fast is after the verb. It is the adverb of the sentence. He is driving. How? Really fast. So fast is an adjective and fast is an adverb. They have the same form. Number 2 is fine. Look at this sentence. That is a fine work of art. That is a fine work of art. It means it's very good. Work of art is the noun and fine is the adjective. But look at the other sentence. You are doing just fine. Don't worry. You're doing just fine. Don't worry. Do here, or in this case doing, is the verb. You are doing just fine. Fine is after the verb. It is our adverb. So, fine is an adverb and an adjective with the same form. Number 3 is hard. Hard is an adjective and an adverb. So, look at these sentences. There were many hard questions in the exam. There were many hard questions in the exam. Now, you see, the questions are the noun and hard is the adjective before the noun. And look at the other one. I studied hard for the exam. I studied hard for the exam. Study is a verb, and hard here is the adverb. Number 4 is high. Now, high means above the ground, right? Look at this sentence. That is a very high mountain. That is a very, very high mountain. Mountain is the noun. High is before the noun. It's the adjective. But as an adverb, look at this sentence. Throw it as high as you can. So somebody gives you something and then they ask you to throw it as high as you can. Throw is the verb, and high is the adverb. Or another example, I can jump really high. I can jump really high. Jump is the verb, and high is the adverb. Number 5, late. Late is an adverb and an adjective. Look at this sentence. My friend is always late. My friend's always late. Well, my friend is late. Late is the adjective describing my friend. My friend is always late. But then, look at the other sentence. I hate arriving late. I hate arriving late. It means I don't like to arrive late. Arrive is the verb, and late here is after the verb. It is describing the verb. It's an adverb. So late is an adverb and an adjective. Number 6, low. Low. This is the opposite of high. Now, low is an adjective and an adverb. For example, look at this sentence. He said that with a low voice. He said that with a low voice. Low voice. Voice is the noun. Low is the adjective. He said that with a low voice. But look at the other sentence. That plane is flying low. That plane is flying low. Fly is the verb, and low is after the verb. It is an adverb. And number 7, straight. Straight. Straight is an adverb and an adjective. Now, look at this sentence. A straight road goes straight from one place to another. A straight road goes straight from one place to another. Now, a straight road. Road is the noun and straight is the adjective. A straight road goes straight. Go is the verb, and the next straight is the adverb describing the verb. So you see, straight is both an adjective and an adverb. Those were the 7 adverbs and adjectives with the same form. However, I want to tell you something really important. Look at these 3 adjectives: hard, high, and late. What were the adverbs? Well, the adverb of high is high. The adverb of late is late. The adverb of hard is hard. But look at these 3 words: hardly, highly, and lately. They have an ly. They are also adverbs, right? But the meaning of these 3 adverbs are very different than the meaning of the 3 words. For example, high and highly have different meanings, or late and lately, or hard and hardly. So let's take a look at the meanings of these 3 adverbs: highly, hardly, and lately. Number 1, hardly. Hardly means almost not. For example, can you speak up? I can hardly hear you. It's like you're talking on the phone and then you can't hear anything. And say, Jack, listen, can you speak up? I can hardly hear you. It means I almost can't hear you. So hardly means almost not. Or the weather is foggy and you can hardly see anything. I'm not going to drive. Today is foggy. I can't drive because I can hardly see the road. It means I can almost not see the road. Number 2 is highly. Highly is an adverb of degree. It means that it describes an adjective. For example, smoking is highly addictive. Smoking is highly addictive. It means it's very, very, very addictive. Or another example, I highly recommend this restaurant. I highly recommend this restaurant. It means I recommend it very, very, very much. And number 3, lately. Well, lately has nothing to do with being on time. It's completely different than late. Lately means recently, around now. For example, I have been feeling ill lately. I've been feeling ill lately. It means recently, yesterday, today, and right now, I'm not feeling so good. I've been feeling ill lately. Or, he hasn't been too well lately. He hasn't been too well lately. It means these days, recently, yesterday and today, he hasn't been too well. And that is the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we have talked about 10 adverbs, and that is the end of the lesson. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, click subscribe. See you in the next lesson.